Warm welcome, makers. This is Maureen Haley in our intro video to the Arduino on-ramp class. Bruno Bronowski, Charles Shapiro, and myself put together this class for Decatur makers as a beginning or intro class for Arduino programmers. You can find Decatur makers online at decaturmakers.org. The plan is to go from 0 to 1 and learn to use the Arduino environment. We've had kids, parents of kids who are getting into robots. We've had artists, do-it-yourselfers, and hobbyists, and people who are just curious about Arduino take our class. Our goal is for everyone to complete the build by the end of the class. We'll go over the software, a little bit about electronics and prototyping, and have you build an intruder alarm system. Quick shout out to this gentleman, James Bruce. His article from 2013 provided the idea for the simple Arduino alarm system. He's linked in the class notes, and I encourage you to check out his site. He's got a lot of good videos out there. This is what we'll actually be putting together and wiring up and building. The picture looks a little intimidating, but it's just supposed to look complicated, so you feel like you've learned a lot. We'll program this Arduino Uno clone board. It's a programmable circuit board. It'll take signals from this ultrasound sensor. When it detects an intruder, alarm will sound, and we will have programmed our lights to flash. All of our files, codes, etc. is available to the public on this GitHub repository located at github.com/HaleyMA/Arduino on-ramp class. We'll have an intro video showing you how to download the software, how to download this GitHub repository, and how to install some drivers for your board. We do have some prerequisites for the class, which is why we're making these videos. We want everyone to bring their own laptop, have the software installed, these files, and the drivers. The idea being, we noticed that there's a lot of stress if someone arrives and they're already behind. And we would like to get your build completed. We go over a lot of stuff, and we want you to enjoy it, not be stressed out. I have a couple video examples I'll show in this intro, and there's some other links to the images and the class notes on this site. Next video, we'll go right to arduino.cc, download the software. It's free for Windows, Linux, and Macintosh. We don't use Chromebooks in this class. And that's it. We're going to get you up to speed. Hope you have a good time. Answer your questions. Make sure you have lots of resources so that if you have some projects in mind, you can get out there and build them yourself. Here's our demonstration video with our star pupper Dilly. She comes down the hallway. Thinks she's getting her squeaky toy. Oh, she set off the intruder alarm. And here we have our ultrasound sensor. Sensed her going by. Rings our buzzer. Lights flash. Now another build. Here she comes. Dilly never learns. Where's my squeaky toy? Oh, now she's got these police alarms and siren going off. So that's it. That's what we're going to build. Look forward to seeing you. Make sure you watch the next video, downloading the IDE. A lot of people seem to have trouble with that because you have to scroll down on the page to get the right link. All right, makers, let's go out there and make it good. See you in the next vid.